Once you adapt to double cleansing, you're going to love your face. You love this is going to serve as a barrier between my skin and that product, so that that product won't burn my face, or that product won't, in case if there's any harsh chemical in it, it will not get to my skin direct. Are you a stay-at-home mom or a student and you are not proud of your face? Like, you cannot even go out without makeup. You're suffering from frequent acne breakouts. You have this hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and a dull skin that has refused to go. Maybe you've tried other products, or maybe because you cannot afford the expensive ones. On this video, I'm going to be sharing under 10k night routine that actually works. You guys, products, you don't have to buy expensive products in order to get rid of your acne or dark spot or get a flawless face. You don't have to buy expensive products. The only thing is, even if you buy the cheap ones, just know how to use them and you're going to see results. So I'm going to be carrying you guys practically. I'll be sharing a night routine that actually works. You guys, I do this routine too, and it has worked for me. So I'm here to share with you guys. Make sure you watch this video to the end. To my returning subscribers, welcome to yet another video. And if you're seeing this face for the first time, hi my love, it's your girl once more. Here on this channel, we talk about everything skincare, beauty, and lifestyle. If this sounds like any of the things you're interested in, please kindly hit the subscription button, like my videos guys, subscribe to my channel, please. It means a lot to me. And don't forget to turn on the notification so that anytime I upload interesting content like this, you'll be among the first to be notified. So without further ado, let's dive into why we're here. We all know that when it comes to skincare, the first step is cleansing. And when it comes to cleansing, I normally advise that you always double cleanse. So here are the products that I normally use to double cleanse my face. I told you guys this is very budget friendly. This baby bar soap is what I use for my first cleansing. And the second cleansing, that's when I go with this kojic acid. Remember, this is a night routine, you guys. This routine I'm sharing, don't do it during the day. This is strictly a night routine. So we're going to be cleansing my face the first time with this, and then the second with this. Double cleansing is very, very important, you guys. Don't joke with your double cleansing, okay? So let's get at it. So you just go ahead and I'll lather this in my hand, okay? Sorry, I'm not using the bathroom, so we'll manage this bowl. Then, okay, go ahead and cleanse your face. Don't apply your soap directly on your face. Always lather it in your hand and then apply on your face, okay? You will see better results that way. Take your time and massage. Remember, this is the first step. This is the first cleansing I'm doing. We'll be doing double cleansing. Once you adapt to double cleansing, you're going to love your face. You will love the outcome, okay? So make sure you clean well. Use your hand. I'm not using anything. It's just my hand. If you can afford face washes or any other thing, it's still okay. But trust me, bar soap does the cleansing for me very well. I have tried so many face washes, and I can tell you for free that I prefer to use this baby bar soap. So I'm done with the first cleansing. Now I'm going to go ahead and use this kojic sand bar soap to still cleanse my face for the second time. I told you guys that whenever you buy this soap, you divide it into 3, okay? You see, I've divided mine into 3. I still have 2 left. So this is the small one I have. This is the one I'm currently using. Look at the one that is remaining. So I'll still go ahead and use it. This soap is not for everyday use. Don't use this soap every day. I only use this kojic sand soap. I only use this kojic sand soap. I use it twice in a week. I don't use it more than that. Okay, so for the sake of this video, I'll be showing you guys everything that I do. And I'll take note of the products that I'm not using every day. So you still do the same thing. You lather the soap in your hand, and then you go ahead and clean for the second time. Okay, please take your time and massage your face very well so that the products will go deep into your skin and do what they're supposed to do. So I'll still go ahead and wash again. Sorry, I'm supposed to do this in the bathroom, but I don't have light at the moment in my bathroom, so and it's already evening, so I have to manage here for the sake of this video. So you go ahead and use a very clean towel and pat dry your face, please. A very clean towel. This towel is specially for my face. I don't use this towel anywhere else, only my face. So so you guys can see we are good to go now, right? Now, after cleansing your face, the next thing you want to go in with is you want to go with a very good moisturizer. Something that is going to help you restore the moisture that the soap we just used now just took out of the skin. So when it comes to moisturizing, this is what I love to use, guys. This I previously used to use aloe vera gel, but since I discovered this nail gel, this particular brand from Wenko, you guys, this is what I've been using. Hope you guys can see it. This gel does the moisturizing for me very well. It is very, very mild. So it's going to serve as a cushion, or let me say a foundation that all the other skincare products I'm going to use, they're going to sit on it. Okay? So you just, and then please don't rub your skincare products. Always tap it in to your skin. Don't rub them. Always just tap it in. And don't forget, anything that goes to your face goes to your neck and your chest as well. But for the sake of this video, I'll just be focusing on my face alone. So you're going to allow this to dry. Okay? You let it sit for some time before going in with other things. Press it in. Okay, make sure you press it in well. So this is going to serve as a cushion. Any other product that I'm applying on my face now, whether the product is too harsh or strong, this is going to serve as a barrier between my skin and that product, so that that product won't burn my face, or that product won't, in case if there's any harsh chemical in it, it will not get to my skin direct. This will neutralize the product. Okay, so you just allow it dry for some time. Guys, this nail gel is very, very, very good, you guys. Very, very, very good. Now, the next thing I apply is my serum. So when it comes to serum, since you're treating dark spots, you go with a serum that targets dark spots, that is going to help to brighten your skin. So looking at the ingredients that is in that serum is very important. So this is a serum I normally use, this pure gold serum. This is what I use. This serum is very, very good, you guys, and it is affordable as well. This serum contains lactic acid, glycolic acid, and it contains almost 6 seed oil, 6 precious plant oil. Okay, and one of them is this macadamia oil. It contains this macadamia oil and a lot of ingredients. So you guys, for the sake of this video, maybe some other time I'll review this. So this is going to help to protect your skin. It's going to repair your skin and also clarify your skin. So let's go ahead and apply our serum. Okay, so remember, I taught you guys how to apply serums. One here and then one here. Then you can go ahead and your chest region, very important. Okay, so you massage, allow this to, you tap it in. After spreading the serum around your face, you now tap it in. Tap, 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 tap. So this serum is going to help you brighten your skin. It's also going to help you get rid of dark spots, uneven skin tone, and hyperpigmentation. Okay. This serum contains glycolic acid and lactic acid. So this serum should not be used during the daytime. And please do not use this serum every day. Use this serum 3 times in a week or even twice in a week and only at night. Okay? So take note of that, please. Very important. After applying my serum, the next thing you go with is treatment moisturizer. Okay? And when it comes to the moisturizer, you guys, this Dodo Skin Gold face cream. This face cream is also a powerful black spots corrector, but a lot of you don't know how to use it. You guys are abusing it. This product should only be used at night, and you can just take a very little quantity. A very little quantity. So if you're looking for an affordable face moisturizer that you can use, you guys consider this. Okay? Make sure you buy the original one. Look at the quantity I'm taking. Very little. Can you guys see this? Very, very little. Then you can go ahead and just tap it in on your face. This night routine, you guys, is going to help you get rid of your dark spots. It's going to help you glow. It's going to take away every form of dullness from your skin, you guys. So now, the last but not the least is my secret ingredients. If you like, you can skip this, but I always love to go with this. This is a carrot oil. I make this myself. I'll place the video in the description button so that you go and watch it and learn how to. So this is the last. This is what I use to lock in everything that is on my face. Okay. So you can use any oil, even if it's baby oil, either Pears, Cousins, Johnson's, any baby oil. But I prefer to use this my carrot oil that I made myself. So you just need little. Okay, you don't need much, you guys. Just little, a drop if possible, just to lock in moisture. So go ahead and apply this on your face. And that is it, you guys. Very simple, very easy, and very affordable. Okay, you can get this serum for as low as 2,500 naira. Very, very affordable. This nail gel also 2,000 naira. Okay, this is 4,500 here. Then this Koji Sandbar soap is also 2,500, right? So this is 7,000 naira. And then this is 1,000 naira. This face cream is 1,000 naira. And then this baby bar soap, just single one should be 400 if I'm not mistaken. So if you have 10k, just go to the market and get this for yourself, you guys. Try this and thank me later. Please just take note of the ones that I said do not use every day. Okay, the only thing you're using every day here is this and this. With this, these are the only things that you use every day. But then these treatments soap and the serum, they are not for every day. Also, this is not for every day. The mistake that some of you do is there's nothing wrong in using all those carotene and all those products that have hydroquinone. The issue is you guys use it every day. That's when it becomes a problem. Any treatment product or any dark spot corrector is not for everyday use. Okay, so you guys should learn how to use things the right way so that you'll be able to see results and get value for your money. Hope this video was helpful, and let me know in the comment section if you're going to be trying this night routine. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching, you guys. And if you're still yet to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscription button and don't forget to turn on the notification, you guys. Very, very important, so that anytime I upload new videos and interesting videos like this, you'll be among the first to be notified. See you guys in our next. Bye.